Hi, welcome to Spicy Flavors. I'm Naveen. Today I'm going to cook for you Rohu coconut fish curry. This is going to have coconut. I'm going to make the sauce and you're going to put it all together and it's going to be yummy. I would really appreciate it if you could watch the video till the end because I'm going to show you how to debone a fish in under 1 minute. So let's get cooking. If you're watching this far, I would really appreciate it if you could give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. As always, I would like to thank my subscribers for watching my videos. I would also like to thank Chanti for his wonderful comment and Simple Recipes for her continued support and for some delicious and budget-friendly recipes. You could check out the link below. Wow, this has come out delicious. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.